Good morning, everyone. My name is Francine Moreno. I am blessed to work for the Alaska Native Tribal Health Consortium. I work for the Alaska Rural Utility Collaborative. I've worked there for 11 years, and my family is from a Yupik village called Alakanuk, Alaska.
Good morning, I'm Chris Mercer. I'm the engineering manager for the ARUC program. I'm happy to be here this morning, and we'd like to thank the Honoring Nations staff and team and the board of directors for this amazing program. We'd like to thank the NCAI for having us here this morning to speak, and we'd like to thank the NTHC board of directors for allowing us to represent our program this morning.
So with that, the Alaska Rural Utility Collaborative is a water and wastewater management, operation, and maintenance program. We currently partner with 27 communities throughout the state of Alaska, as seen as on the map here.
Our program provides an avenue for tribal communities to join together to create benefits as a larger whole and strive for sustainability ultimately. As part of our program, we closely track utility budgets and collections, and that allows revenues to meet expenses. With dedicated accounting, we can build village revenue accounts that meet emergencies and needs of the community. We have a focus on regional management, and that support allows for lower operator turnover. Operators can anticipate higher pay because of that and through greater training and certificates. And one additional thing is they anticipate better benefits such as retirement and PTO, personal time off, because they can come together in ways that small individual communities can't. This unity also allows for access to very specialized operations technical assistance. ARUC has a team of 8 operations specialists and engineers dedicated to supporting our member communities, many of whom have originated and grown up in those member communities. And an important note on the word collaborative in our title, communities continue to own their own water plants, infrastructure, and sanitation facilities.
So, when we all woke up this morning, we were able to take a shower. We all went to the bathroom and were able to flush our toilets. We all washed our hands in the sinks, and we all brushed our teeth. Imagine if you weren't able to do that every single day.
The picture in the top left are 2 of our operators that are in the program. They're representative of the men and women that make this happen every day for our communities. They are responsible for operating the water plant, ensuring proper operations of the water. They have to do collections and ensure the revenues come into the system, and that all the reporting and training is accomplished and kept up to date. On the right-hand side is a picture of one of our more modernized plants, and that is representative of our dedication to energy efficiency, operational efficiency, responsible use of resources, and ultimately striving for community sustainability.
The bottom left picture, with access to clean water, our member communities and locals are able to use clean water to clean their fish, to make dry fish and smoked salmon, to continue their traditional subsistence ways of life. By working to provide an affordable and sustainable water and wastewater utility service, our village members can continue living in their beautiful villages. In the bottom right corner is a picture of Scammon Bay. Our work in partnership with villages is to strive for local village members to have access to clean, safe, reliable water and wastewater, which keeps members healthy, stay hydrated, and prevent respiratory and skin infections. As seen here in the middle picture, it's a picture of a boy in Nustuyahawk drinking a fresh, clean glass of water. This is the top left chart is a picture of our revenues versus expenses chart. There were definitely times where our program struggled. We grew at a rate that was quicker than we could handle, but through improved partnerships with our member villages, by reducing expense and energy costs, and focusing on improved management versus growth, our revenues now exceed expenses, resulting in healthier systems in villages.
On the bottom, you'll see a graph of our net worth, and as you can see, the program is doing very well. And that may seem contrary to the reduced revenue income on the top graph, but that's exactly what the program strives for. By optimizing energy efficiency and operations, we were able to reduce costs and thereby reduce rates for the customers and still maintain emergency funding. On the right, you'll see a photo of, and it's probably one of my favorite parts of the program. This is where operators from around our collaborative, from all over the northern slope to the Bering Sea, came together to recover Kotlik from a disaster when a major part of their infrastructure was destroyed. We've learned a lot since 2008 when our program was developed from a pilot program sponsored by our partner YKHC. And we've grown and changed dramatically since then.
ARUC strives to provide education on system finances, on the importance of water and water treatment, and we ensure safe wastewater disposal. We also work towards collecting sufficient revenue to pay for system expenses from each community, so the revenues collected will pay for each system and make us less dependent on outside funds. We maintain enforcement of collections. We continue system improvements and efficiencies, but most importantly, we maintain open communication and collaboration with each of our member villages so that we can together improve the life of each system as well as the health of my people.
Thank you again for having us this morning.
Thank you.